Welcome back. Today is the fifth and last part of drainage system videos, in which we will talk about different types of pipe tags and their parameter of drainage system. I have started the method of making drainage system in Revit. I have divided the videos of drainage system in 5 parts. In the first part, I told you how to create a model and how to make a pipe type and system type in drainage. The second video was about the pipe segment and the pipe size catalog. In the third video, we learned to make pipe routing preferences. In the fourth video, we practically draw a drainage system. And today, we will talk about pipe tags and its parameters in the fifth and last video. I have also given the links of all these videos in the description below. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. New friends can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Don't forget to like and share. So let's start talking about pipe tags. Friends who have not practiced the previous parts should practice it first. These links are given in the description below. Open the model of the rest of part 4 from where we slept and winded it. A tag is an annotation used to identify drawing elements. For the pipe tags, select Tag by Category tool on Annotate tab, or punch its shortcut key TG from keyboard. The first selection in the options bar is horizontal or vertical. How do you want to place tag? The second button is for loaded tags. First of all, it has the filter list. It has loaded tags according to categories. The category tags you check will be displayed in the list below. The second column, loaded tags, display the names of tags that are loaded in this project. If your required tags are not in this list, you can browse from the load family and load the tags. I will share the method of load tags in this tutorial. Having a leader line box check appears the leader line with pipe tag. Even after the tag is applied, the leader line can be drawn by selecting the leader line box. Then there is the leader type. The tag will be placed with a single click in attached end. You can move the tag anywhere and change the leader's center location from the leader grip dot, but one side it will stick with the object and on the other side it will stick with the tag. In the second option, free end of leader type, tag will place with double click. On first click, it will set the center location of the leader, and on second click, this tag will be placed. In the attached end, you could only heal the middle location of the leader. In free end, you can also modify the object attachment location along with its middle location. Properties palette can also be used to change leader line checkboxes and as well leader type attached end or free end. We can also change arrowhead of pipe tags by edit type of properties palette. There are various options here that will be the same leader arrowhead display that you select. The size of the pipe will be the same size as the tag automatically. If you want to bring symbol of dia before the size, then select mechanical settings arrow in the system bar or punch the shortcut key MS from the keyboard. Select pipe settings. Cut out the dia symbol from pipe size suffix and paste it into pipe size prefix. The dia symbol will come before the size. A suffix is a string of letters that go at the end of a root word, changing or adding its meaning. And a prefix is an affix which is placed before the stem of word. We have two types of pipes in the system, soil pipe and waste pipe. The abbreviation of soil pipe is SP and the abbreviation of waste pipe is WP. If you also want to show system abbreviation in tags, then for this you first must enter SP in abbreviation section in type properties of soil piping system. In the same way, in the case of waste pipe, you have to write the WP in abbreviation section of waste piping system. Now select the Edit Family tool by selecting the pipe tag and then access Edit Label browser. Select the system abbreviation parameter and add it to the label. If we select the break checkbox, then the two parameters will be applied in separate lines, otherwise in the same line. Select OK. Adjust the label with the drag button and load it into project. There are two options. The first option is override the existing version, but since we also add some parameters, so we will select the other option, override the existing version and its parameter. Now we have a number of system abbreviations. In shop drawings, along with the system abbreviation, we also need some other parameters in drainage system. For example, length of pipe, pipe slope, center of pipe start, center of pipe end, and height of the pipe. To add these parameters, we go back to the pipe tag. Let's add a new parameter slope. The slope parameter will show the slope percentage of the pipe. Let's add a length parameter to show the length of the pipe. For pipe start location, we add a start middle elevation parameter. And for the end elevation of pipe, we add an end middle elevation parameter. Break check boxes make these parameters into different lines. We assign length as a prefix in length parameter. Slope in the prefix of slope. Start COP in the prefix of start middle elevation. COP means center of pipe, and assign end COP as a prefix in end middle elevation of pipe parameter to find out which parameter shows the value in tag. If you don't want to write the two parameters in separate lines, then you can add space between the prefix and sample value. The higher the number of spaces, the more space there will be. This option is obtained by holding uncheck breakbox. In the same way, if you want to add something after the sample value, you will have to enter in suffix. Update the tag by load into project tool like before. Now we have a pipe length, pipe slope, center of pipe start elevation, and center of pipe end elevation parameter in pipe tag. Similarly, in pipe tags, you can add any parameter according to your requirements. One thing to always remember about pipe tags is that pipe elevation always calculated from the finished floor level. I faced this problem in a project. I issued the complete MEP drawings after coordination, and the contractor also installed MEP system on site. After this, the ceiling contractor tried to make the ceiling height according to the architecture drawings. Then the ceiling was clashed with MEP services. That is, at the level at which the ceiling was to take place, there were MEP services. On inspection at the site, it was found that there is a difference of 75 mm between the structure slab and the finished floor level, and MEP contractor installed all these services from structure slab without adding this difference. All MEP services were installed at 75 mm down, so take special care of that. I hope you understand now that how to make a drainage system. You have to practice it at least 3 times. I have given my mobile number in the description below for any query. Get in touch on WhatsApp or the platform of my channel. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.